What a coincidence.
That's right. What a coincidence.
Hi! Hey, Luke, what a coincidence.
Oh my goodness! What a coincidence!
What a coincidence. We got a cute little redhead down at the bank named Amy.
I have to take a shower.
What a coincidence. Me too.
He's meeting with the president.
Oh, what a coincidence.
I know.
Don. What a coincidence seeing you together.
Not really, the whole staff's here.
Hey, Gloria, wow. What a coincidence. I was just singing your praises. This is John Ryan.
Oh, hi.
Yeah.
Originally, I'm from Canada.
What a coincidence.
I thought you were from Poughkeepsie.
Oh, look what I found, Christy.
What a coincidence.
So, what are you in for?
I talk in my sleep.
What a coincidence. I listen in my sleep.
Hey, wait up! What's your rush? Where you going?
Nowhere.
What a coincidence! I was just heading that way myself.
Hey, buddy! Hey, man, what a coincidence, huh?
Yeah, I didn't know you were staying here.
Oh, yeah, I love this place. I'll tell you what, we'll apologize. The day a monkey comes out my butt, then you get your sorry. How about that?
What a coincidence! Because that's today. Hey, Sarah!
Dan!
Hey!
Oh my gosh, what a coincidence.
Yeah, what are you doing here?
Oh, I actually have an old friend from Portland staying here.
Oh, okay.